You're wrong if you think you've got to come up with every multi-million-dollar idea on your own. Let me give you an example. Some of my biggest innovations that have made my companies the most money, I kind of borrowed them from completely different industries. For example, at Easton University, I developed the world's most effective way to handle customer objections. I'll give you my secret on how I did it. I spent a bunch of money and I studied the top 14 marriage therapists around the world. And in those years of watching them and learning their process in dealing with couples, I was able to go, a lot of this can work in sales training and business negotiations. You don't have to come up with every single idea organically on your own. Have an open mind. Stop looking at the other people in your company for ideas. Stop looking at just your competition. That's only going to give you incremental growth. I want you to blow the box open and look at everything else in the world. That's where the best ideas come from. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.